How to hide your Instagram followers list. This tutorial shows you how to make your account private so only approved followers can see your followers and following list on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open your settings. At this point, tap on Privacy to open your privacy settings. In the next step, scroll down and look for the Account Privacy option at the top. Following this, toggle on the Private Account switch to make your account private. Once done, a confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Switch to Private to confirm your decision. From here, your account is now private, meaning only people you approve as followers will be able to see your posts, stories, and followers list. At this stage, go back to your profile and you'll notice a lock icon next to your username, confirming that your account is now private. After this, anyone who wants to follow you will now have to send a follow request, which you can either accept or decline. Finally, only your approved followers will be able to see your followers and following list, keeping it completely hidden from everyone else. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you protect your followers list by going private, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.